YouTube, how's it going? Today we're gonna get a little crazy and we're all going to dress up like what?
Cinderella!
So we're gonna put on our dresses, do our hair and our makeup. So first thing we're gonna do is put on these dresses. All right?
Yes.
I feel like we've got mama bird and daughter bird and baby bird. So I think it's gonna be all right. Let's clap our hands and we'll snap our fingers and clap our hands and then we'll be all changed, okay? So snap and clap. Twirl, twirl, twirl. So we're gonna try and do everyone's hair and makeup and then we'll all be a parade of Cinderellas. I think it's gonna be fun. What do you guys think? Whoa! Okay, that's a lot of blue going on. I think it'll be fine. It's gonna be great. We're gonna be good, right? Yes, yes. So we can't be in Disney World or Disneyland right now at the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, but we can still dress up, right? Yes, we can.
Almost my blue is my blue one, right?
It's your blue one. It's your blue one.
That's my pink one,
It's your pink one. It's your blue one. So the first thing we have to do is brush your hair, Mary. Okay? Hi, cheese.
Mom,
gonna-
can I stay?
Do your hair, okay? Oh, big pull. That's the hardest part, right? So Cinderella, how does Cinderella's hair look, Mary?
Blue.
It's her hair's blue?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No, my sister's blue.
Your dress is blue.
Yeah.
What does Cinderella's hair look like?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah,
Does she have
pink.
pink hair?
Yeah.
Yeah? And does Cinderella have a royal carriage?
Yeah.
What kind of shoes does Cinderella wear?
The princess.
She's the princess.
There was the princess on pizza too.
Are you both princesses today?
Yeah.
Are you Princess Marigold or Princess Cinderella?
Princess Cinderella.
Cinderella, lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna give you Cinderella hair, okay? So Cinderella's hair is in a tight bun in the top of her head. So we're gonna brush it out and make it nice and smooth, okay? Okay. There we go. Okay. It's one baby bun. And this is two baby bun. Okay, chin up, look at them, look. Hi! Okay. Are we happy? Is that good Cinderella hair? Okay, Cinderella! Twirl, 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 twirl. Okay, now we're gonna do Noelle's hair. Okay.
This one's still wet. Okay.
So Noelle, how old are you?
This one's on my desk.
You're 4?
It's 4.
How old are you, Noelle?
7.
So can you tell me about the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique? Do you remember much?
Not really.
Do you know how old you were when you went?
4.
You were 4. Okay. And what dress did you wear?
This one.
Yeah,
The one
you
that
did.
Mary's wearing. Mine!
Yes, now it's yours. What did they do at the boutique, Noelle?
They dressed up my hair. They dressed me up.
Do they pull your hair in a straight line like that?
Yeah.
With lots and lots of hair gel?
Mama's dress was wearing. Did they do that?
It was so cute.
Okay.
Because you were such a cute little girl. They had to. They had to be like, you're so cute. Okay. You have a lot more hair now than you did before. Now, I'm not a fairy godmother, am I? No. I'm a beauty queen.
My boy dress.
So, basically, I'm cheating and just doing ballet hair, right?
This way not. That's my mama. Okay.
Okay.
She's doing mama.
Here we go. Here we go.
Mom.
Good.
So bundle. On, pull off, and back
good.
head.
Let me call the doctor. And the doctor said,
Pull off, and back head.
so when you're doing ballerina hair, you really have to try and make the bun flat and pretty, right? Cinderella isn't quite wearing a ballerina bun, but she is wearing a very pretty bun, isn't she? How would you describe it?
I don't know.
Okay, now stand up, turn around, show off your hair. Brrr. Burp. 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 Now you can do my hair.
Me?
Yeah, yeah.
You. Me doing your hair?
Yeah. That's what I say.
Mama, you will find me.
Are we fun girls? Oh dear.
Mama, I doing.
I'm putting poor Noelle to work.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
So many tangles.
Hey, Mama.
Okay, okay.
Hey, Mama.
Hi, sweetie. Oh, careful, please. Don't knock over the light.
The lights are my eyes. Mama.
You're pulling my lights down. Get off of the light.
Mama, this is my vlog here. Hey, what's your hairstyle? Thank you. Mama, so fun. I want to see Mama's hair. Wow. It's raining. It's the rain.
Yeah, you can use that one if you want, but she's got a different one that's good too.
It's a white. She has a blue one of those.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. That's fine.
Hey, friend, it's the rain.
It's all good.
It's my big one. It's my pink one, right? It's my big one.
It is your pink one.
Yeah.
Do you want to put that one in my hair?
Yeah. I'm done. No, I always waste this one. Like, one. Yeah.
She's got plans for you.
It's my pink one.
Plans for me.
It's my pink one. Yeah. I'm gonna try it. It's my one of those. Can you get a few pins? My one of those. Thank you. Just hold on to them.
I feel like she's gonna put holes in my head. Oh dear.
Guys.
Yes? Ta-da! Ta-da!
Mama, I'll do this. It's dry. Spooky. Oh, spooky, spooky, spooky. Really bad at doing buns. Mama, this one, you can't do a bun. Mama, just
You go twist, 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 twist.
this one.
It's okay.
There's, okay.
Okay, next we have to do makeup. We're gonna do
Let's do you.
3 makeup things. Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right. So Noelle, next I'm gonna do Mary's makeups. Okay, Mary, can you sit on the pretty chair? We'll move it back into the frame. There we go.
How you doing, Mama?
I'm going to do your makeups. Okay. So we did have a bump on the head, but she's doing better now, so we're okay. First thing we're gonna do, Mary.
Do my lips.
Hi, YouTube.
Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Good girl. Okay. So you want to do your lips first?
Not me.
No, I have to. So I want to do your lipstick, but then you can do my lipstick, okay? But first we're gonna do Mary's makeup, okay? So we're gonna start with the Disney designer from ColourPop. That's not gonna focus, that's okay. We need to adjust this anyway. Okay, this is the color Boo from the ColourPop Disney designer collection.
Boo?
Boo, like bibbidi boppity boo. It's so pink. So we have to do all of you, and then we'll do Noelle, and then we'll do me. And this is the Lime Crime Diamond Dew in the color Aurora. So we're gonna do your eyes, okay? See this? Are you scared?
I'll do it.
No, you're gonna do me, okay?
I'll do you.
Yeah, but first I have to do Mary. Close your eyes. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, not too tight, just relax, it's okay.
I'll do you, okay?
Not yet. Sparkle, sparkle. Okay, next thing is we're gonna do the Too Faced Peach My Cheeks blush on your cheeks. You have to smile. Smile. Tease, 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 tease. You're gonna do me. You're gonna do me, I promise, okay?
I'll do you.
Okay, next thing is, because Noelle did my hair, so you gotta do my makeup. We're gonna do the ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed by ColourPop, okay? And we're gonna put this on your decollage.
Okay.
Can you say decollage?
Douglas.
Good girl. All right, this is in the color Eternal Sunshine, and it is body glitter. Okay. No, you gotta do me, So this is going on your decollage, okay? Oh, wow. That is super sparkly. Okay, good. You're free.
I do you, okay?
I have to do Noelle, and then you do me, okay? All right, Noelle, you come sit in the chair now.
I do.
Noelle's turn first, and then it's your turn. Can you go sit in the cottage? Go sit in the cottage. Okay, in the fairy tale cottage. All right, back on with Boo. Okay.
You.
All right, Noelle, look at Mama.
You.
Okay.
You. Like a different one.
No,
You.
you don't get a pick. Nope. Okay, you're making it harder for me to do your lips when you suck them in, you know. People don't generally suck in their lips when they put on lipstick. See, because now I missed.
Mama, I did it.
Let's just...
Mama, I did it.
Thank you, sweetie. Look, Noelle's wearing the same lipstick as you. Yeah. Put a little bit more on the inside. Boop, 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 boop. Good. Next, we're gonna do more of the Diamond Dew. Sorry, sticking this in your face.
Can you?
Diamond Dew. This is in Aurora. Close your eyes. We're all having a bath tonight, just so you know.
Mama, look at me.
Oh, that's pretty. Good. All right, Mary. Oh, that's nice, Noelle. It's very pink and sparkly.
I do you, okay?
Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of the Too Faced blush.
Did you put it on Mary?
Yeah, it's on your cheeks. You have to smile. Big smile.
It's on my neck. It's on my neck.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
I do you, okay?
Oh, sorry. And we're going to put a little bit of the
Why
sparkle
did you put sparkles on her neck?
on the decollage. You ready? Okay. It's so purple. Okay. All right. What do you think? Do you like your look?
I do you, okay, Mama?
Okay, now Mary's gonna do me. Can you come do my lips, please? You can sit in the chair in the back and tell me what you think if you want, or you can sit there too. Are you done? You can put a little more on.
Is there more, okay?
Is that it? All done?
Yeah, so done.
Thank you. Okay, next. What's next?
This one.
Okay.
It's a good foundation.
Yeah.
That makeup on already.
Yeah, I'm wearing some other stuff, sweetie.
I mean, help you, Mary? We put it right here. Can you put it there?
It's still my neck, not on the dress. This is Mary's challenge. Let her do this one.
Mama, did it.
You did it? Okay, now what? Now which one are you gonna do?
This one.
Okay, okay, I want you to be careful with this one because it's kind of special. Okay, so I can,
Can I open it?
okay. Gotta show the camera what you're doing. See?
Can I open it?
Okay, open it up. Okay, I want the bottom half. Thank you. You can, okay.
Not on your
Those are my eyes. Thank you. Oh, good job.
I did it.
Thank you. Now what?
Blush. I say blush. Blush.
Blush? Okay.
Can Mama help you with this?
I open it. Okay.
Okay.
You be gentle with my blush, okay? Just a little. On my cheeks. Okay. And you can do some more, or is that it? Okay. Good job! Are we ready to go to the ball now?
Yeah.
Here we go. Ta-da!
Let's go back in our magic carriage.
Is that what that is? Magic carriage?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Right.
Good. Can you twirl, Mary? Go right in front of the camera like Noelle is. Alright, now I need the girls to come make kissy faces at the camera, okay? Are we doing kissy faces? Kissy makeup faces? Okay, I'll come sit by you and do kissy makeup faces too. Okay? Kissy faces, Mary, we can't see you. Come here. Okay, say cheese.
Cheese.
Kissy makeup faces, cheese.
Happy Valentine's Day!
It won't be Valentine's Day when this goes up, I'm sorry. Kissy, kissy, what do you think?
Or
Good luck?
After Valentine's Day!
Oh boy. Thank you for
Oh,
watching.
boy.
Please like, comment,
and subscribe.
leave me a comment below.
And smash the like button.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay.